Well, hi there and welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychuk with Queen Bee Creations and you are joining me for 30 days of Christmas ornaments. Today's little video is super cute and it starts with these little kind of curtain rings. And I thrifted this whole bag for $3, less 30%. So come on, $2.10. But they're super versatile, and probably over the course of this 30 days I'm going to use them a couple of times because they've already got the little hanging hook. They're nice and sturdy. So this one, for this particular craft, I painted it white. You didn't need to watch me do that. I mean, if you happen to get them in white already, bonus. But I wanted it white because we're going to be making a little sheep. So let me pull you in and we'll get started with this. Super fast, super easy, super cute. Good combo. All right, I have my ring, and what I also have is a felted, just a piece of felt cut out in the shape of my sheep. So think of it this way. Like this way, it could be just a little flower. So we're just doing kind of two big ears, center place for the face. I just use one as a template and then I just draw it in pencil, cut them out, have a bunch of the faces ready to go. We need a couple of little wooden beads. Because I'm making a white sheep, I need some white yarn. Okay, so nice and simple. To start with, I'm going to push this piece of wool. You could use cotton cording. I mean, whatever you want. I need to push this through my bead. So I'm just going to kind of work it down in. Okay, that fits through, but I need something a little thinner. Okay, this will work. This will do it. And when you get it through, just tie a little knot in the end. We're going to do this and set it aside. So I want one on each end. Okay, when you have those done, just set them aside. Those are the little legs for our sheep. So we have the face, we have the legs, and now we need to focus on the body. And for that, I have something, let me get that away from my glue gun before I glue it all. I have some wool. This is not yarn, it's just kind of thick wool. You could use really fat yarn, whatever works for you, but we're going to work at, let me maybe pull this all the way through, see how much I'm going to need. We're going to just keep pulling this through. This is going to become the body of our sheep. And we want them to be nice and puffy. So you're going to want something that has some heft to it, a little bit of fatness to it, so that we've got something that's going to work. All right, let me cut this off because we have more than enough. And this end, I'm going to pull up and then wrap over. So it's all tucked in and we don't have any worries about it. I'm just going to take this down. I want to look to see where my top and my bottom is. There's my top. This is my bottom. I'm going to push my loop through, take my 2 beads through, for my 2 little legs. And I just want to get these moved into position between one of my wraps. And then just kind of take this around one more time. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to take this end, cut off my excess, and I just want to tuck it under. So I'm just going to put it under one of my loops. And in my case, it's right toward the top. So that's all nice and full. And now I'm going to take some hot glue. And I'm going to hot glue my sheep head in the middle. And the final touch is to add a couple just a couple of little googly eyes. Okay, we've got him pretty much done, but let's just gussy him up a little bit here. I'm going to give him a little bit of a nose. And I'm just using a little mini pom-pom from the dollar store. And then just to be a little bit fun, I have some little wool pieces that are kind of like little curls. So I'm just going to put a dab of glue on top. And just stick some of those up there to give them a little bit of a fuzzy hair. You don't have to do this. I'm just gussying up a little bit here. And maybe just one more little piece. And there you have him. Our cute little sheep ornament. Super fast, super easy, but he's adorable. You could give him longer legs. I think I gave him shorter legs than he could use or live with, but you know what? Still dangle, still cute. Let me know what you think of this one, guys. Nice and easy, super sweet, and really, you know, just a lot of fun with some really basic materials. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. And until then, take care.